Here are your Tech 5 updates for the week. We have some great new online learning courses in our EmTech Learning on Demand site. Here it is, bit.ly/EmTech-LOD. We've got loads of different items which you can learn at your own pace. Two brand new ones, a Google Sites Superpowers course and a Google Classroom Superpowers course by one and only Trish Rofi. This is the Google Classroom one. Loads of self-paced lessons and activities you can go through. There have been some great new updates to Google Classroom over the summer, or you may just be wanting to try Google Classroom for the very first time. However the case, there are some great resources here for you. You can go lesson by lesson through, and if you'd like, when you're finished, you can fill in your name and information, and you can get a cool certificate emailed to you. There's also one for Google Sites, which is now available to all teachers in Edmonton Catholic schools if your principal requests that it be turned on for your school. So check these Learning on Demand courses. Loads of great lesson activities you can pick away at your own pace and get your cool certificate when you're done. We also want to remind you, let this be the year that your students learn how to use the Read and Write for Chrome extension, an awesome literacy toolbar to help remove the barriers to literacy. There's text-to-speech, there are writing suggestions for Google Docs. This works in a web browser, it works in a PDF document, it works in Office 365 as well, in Word and OneNote online. Lots of great tools here available for you. So check this out. This is a great site for you and for your students to pick away and learn about the different pieces involved in this toolbar. This link can be sent home to parents so that they're aware. It's an awesome, awesome site. Once again, you can even, when you're finished, you can even get a cool certificate. Discovery Education has one of the coolest things in Discovery Education is their Spotlight on Strategies, which we'd like to highlight once again. If you do a search in Discovery Education for SOS, Spotlight on Strategies, these are great active learning and teaching strategies that are good across all subject areas. Technology doesn't even need to apply here. These are just great teaching strategies. Lots of assessment, sequencing, inferencing and prediction, vocabulary development, summarizing, and so on. So there's lots of great strategies here you can search from. What Dane has also included in here is a link to a great Excel spreadsheet which lists across a whole bunch of different thinking skills, and when you look at all the different strategies listed here, for example, the placemat strategy includes these 3, 4, 5 different thinking skills. So depending on the thinking skill you want to choose, you can find the right strategies for your teaching. Note, do not click these links. These are the American links. For Canadian subscribers, if you'd like to learn more about Think Aloud, for example, click that and it will open up. Once you're logged in, you have to log in first to Discover Education. It will give you a video overview and some lesson materials to get started, a little PDF lesson guide to get started with that particular teaching strategy. In terms of upcoming PD, Thursday afternoon is on September the 20th is district-wide PD. EmTech is involved in several different options, including a Google Classroom and G Suite for language teachers. Andres Sanchez Fernandez and I will be doing that one at St. Anthony Computer Lab. Trish and Dane will be doing a live stream webinar at our brand new EmTech Live website. That's bit.ly/EmTech-Live. But she'll be emailing that out to the 226 and rising people who've registered for that. Here are Trish's courses listed on here. John Carassa is going to be live here at St. Peter's Center doing an awesome Equatio session, making math and science digital in Google and Microsoft. And Christine will be involved in the Power Teacher Pro sessions at St. Francis Xavier High School, so check out those sessions. Hey, Tech Coach meeting is a week from today, September the 26th. We look forward to having a representative from every school. If you're a tech coach, or if not, we still would like a representative to be there, and we will cover the sub costs for that. So please sign up for either the morning or the afternoon session on our online registration. Here is the first Tech Coach meeting. So you can sign, there's still a bit of room for the morning and a bit more room for the afternoon session. So sign up for that as soon as you can. For all our previous Tech 5 episodes, visit bit.ly/Tech5ECSD. You'll find the link slides there. Thank you very much for watching.